Hey guys, so quick lang kasi I didn't plan on vlogging. But yeah, we have an event right now, mamaya, in Binyan, Laguna for a competitive event. So I'm hosting, and we were asked to wear green on top. So yeah, quite excited but also nervous because it's my first time. It's my hosting debut, but whew, okay. So it's already 4:13 pala, 4:14. And call time is 5 o'clock. I wanna be there really early kasi ayoko nang late, guys. So, ayun. So, mamaya I'm gonna wear a Santa hat with my partner. So, oh my gosh, guys. I'm so tense pero okay, mga bata lang yan. But oh, bata talaga mo. Let's go!
Meanwhile,
kaibigan mo sila.
Sama ka dun, sama ka dun.
Kanino kang sasend? May Antonin sa right side.
Guys, oh.